Well off.
Let him go, let him go.
Lovely, well done. Belt away then, lads, there, will you?
Right now.
Well off.
Let him go, let him go.